TPO Pipe Boot. Mule-hide TPO prefabricated pipe boots can be used on pipes with diameters ranging from 3/4 inch to 8 inches. Each pipe boot is supplied with a stainless steel banding clamp. Pipe boots can only be used when the boots can be slipped over the top of the pipe. Pipe boots cannot be cut and resealed or used as pitch pans. The area around the base of the pipe should be clean and dry. Use weathered membrane cleaner to clean the membrane if required. Base attachment is required at all pipe boots in a mechanically fastened system. Place 3 2.4-inch seam plates and number 14 or number 15 screws around the base of the pipe. If the pipe is too big to place the fasteners within the boot, they will have to be placed outside and patched. Place the boot on the top of the pipe to determine where to cut. There are 2 ribs at each step-off. Cut at the appropriate location, but at least one rib must remain at the top of the boot. The boot should fit tight to the pipe to prevent distortion when the banding clamp is tightened. Pipe boots must be preheated and pre-stretched in order to slide them over the pipe. Place the pipe boot at the top of the pipe and carefully heat the top. Once heated, slowly pull the pipe boot down until it is large enough to slide down the pipe. Slide the boot down the pipe until the flange rests horizontally on the field membrane. Mark the pipe at the top of the pipe boot. Carefully slide the pipe boot back up until the line on the pipe is visible. Apply a bead of water cutoff just below the line on the pipe. Slide the pipe boot back down until the flange rests on the field membrane. The pipe boot cannot be distorted. Weld the flange. We recommend rolling perpendicular to the center of the pipe to prevent creating a wrinkle at the end. Non-reinforced TPO membrane welds easier than reinforced membrane, so be careful not to overheat. Allow the seam to cool, and then probe for voids. Repair all voids. If a seam runs under the pipe boot flange, T-joint patches are not required where the seam enters and exits the pipe boot flange. T-joint patches are not required because the pipe boot is made of non-reinforced TPO membrane. However, special attention at the step-offs is required when welding the flange in these instances. Install the banding clamp directly below the top rib on the pipe boot, over the water cutoff below. Tighten the pipe clamp. Apply universal single-ply sealant over the top of the banding clamp. Things to remember. A pipe boot can only be used if it can be slipped over the top of the pipe. Pipe boots cannot be cut and resealed or used as pitch pans. Base attachment is required at all pipe boots in a mechanically fastened system. Pipe boots must be preheated and pre-stretched in order to slide them over the pipe. If a seam runs under the pipe boot flange, T-joint patches are not required.